Good morning, dear students. Today, on 28th of April, we have discussed three important terms in the live class about the accounting. One was bookkeeping, second is accounting, third one is accountancy. In fact, these three words normally people use it interchangeably and they are considered as synonym, but they are not synonym. They have a different meaning, or at different stages of accounting work these words are used. So one by one we will understand what every word means. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting work. This is a primary stage, and that simply ordinarily means bookkeeping means recording the business transactions in the books of records. When we identify the financial transaction, we measure that transaction, we record that transaction, and we classify the various financial transactions. These four steps in the process of accounting are considered as bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is a primary stage. First four steps in the process are considered as bookkeeping. Now the second term is accounting. Accounting is what? Accounting is said as starts where bookkeeping ends. When up to classification work is done, then what we have to do? We have to summarize and sum up the accounting records. We have to make the financial statements, that is the summing up. After the financial statement, we have to understand and we have to interpret the accounting information which are shown by financial statement. Then whatever facts are known by us by the analysis, they are communicated to the accounting users. That is the communication. So the next three steps in the accounting process are considered as accounting. And the third word is accountancy. Accountancy actually is the systematic knowledge of accounting. When we have to perform the accounting work, we have to gain and acquire the knowledge, knowing the techniques, knowing the principles, conventions of accounting, and that systematized body of knowledge is known as accountancy. So these three words we have discussed today in the class.